I am Dr. Santosh Kadam, Assistant Professor, Department of English from Rai Shikshan Samsthas Rajastri Chhatrapati Chowk College, Kolhapur. I speak here for B.A. third year Special English. Our subject is Structure and Function of Modern English Grammar. I have selected a topic for my presentation, a study of literary passage from Structure and Function of Modern English Grammar. If you want to analyze any literary passage means we have a particular language, which language is not present in science language, in journalism language, in another field of language. First of all, I would like to discuss here some features of literary passage. Literary passage, the first feature is it uses a particular device. It means it consider devices. According to some writer, Bloomfield, Ferdinand Saussure, and other grammarian, they say if we have a particular ornament and within these ornaments are present only in literal language. Ornaments means not another thing, but ornaments is only devices. So the literary language and literary passage considers here devices, and there are many devices which are useful for literary passage. It means if we wanted to decorate any language, and any language will be decorated by a particular thing, and this is only some devices. First of all, I would like to discuss here first device. For example, simile. Simile is always with our as, like, a. These are the some words which are for the identification of our devices. All these devices are useful in our literary passage. Next feature of our literary passage, some lexical words. It means some lexical words are useful. Some words which are not present in another. Literary passages consider some adjectives which are very useful for the decoration of our language. And these adjectives are not present in our science language and science particular field language. So, literal language consider different types of our, just like a meters. It means meter is also present. We can take a particular sample of meter, and we have a particular types of literature, and this is, for example, poem. Poem has a meter, and if you are going to see the 90 percentage poems from our literal language and literature, they are going to use a particular meter, and it is called the pentameter. Pentameter is always useful for our, just like a study. It means literary part of literature, such as drama, such as poetry, such as novel. All these are the parts, they follow a particular feature, and all these features are from our literary features. Actually, we have a particular different types of the features, which features are only applicable for literature. Literature has a particular system for the style. It means it has a style. This style is not present in journalist language. This style is not present in our another type of the field language. It means the writer, it means the author, and all these writer and author, they follow a specific format of the creation of the sentence, a creation of the structure, a creation of the passage. This type of creation is not available and is not present in our another field of language. So, if you are going to consider, for example, poem, a particular poet does not follow the path of the grammar. The poet break down the path of the grammar. So, by this feature, we can analyze any literary passage. So, all these features we have discussed here, then all my follower they can understand how to analyze a particular literary passage. Thank you so much.